Tips for improving English speaking skills. English has become a global language, and being able to speak it fluently opens up countless opportunities in education, career, and communication. For non-native speakers, learning to speak English confidently can be challenging, but with the right approach, anyone can improve. The most effective way to develop strong English speaking skills is through regular practice, exposure, and a positive attitude. One of the first tips is to practice speaking every day. Just like any other skill, the more you speak, the better you become. Try to speak with friends, family members, or colleagues in English, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are part of the learning process. Another important tip is to listen actively to native speakers. Watching English movies, listening to podcasts, and observing how native speakers use tone, pronunciation, and sentence structures can help you become more familiar with the language. Try repeating what you hear out loud. This method, known as shadowing, helps improve your pronunciation and intonation. Additionally, learning common phrases and expressions used in daily conversations is more helpful than memorizing long vocabulary lists. Native speakers often use idioms, slang, and informal expressions.